Hello everybody! On the previous two videos of this series I painted the skin and the blonde hair of this figure. This time, on the third and last video, I'm going to finish it, painting the leather belts, clothes and the plate armor. Don't forget the arms that I will paint using the same technique and that will be assembled to the torso just in the end. The little sword will be painted in a different way, as you will see. As usual, I start with the darkest base colors. As I like painting model figures and not toys, I stick with true metallic colors. Now that the overall basic colors are finished, let's begin by painting the clothes. I will apply progressively lighter tones, followed by a dark wash, and then finish it with some minor highlights. Darkening the overall colors. And finally, retrieving some contrast. Here you can see how it looks. Moving to the leather parts. Applying scratches and worn out marks. Darkening the colors. You may have noticed by now that for this task, to modulate the basic colors, I sometimes prefer using diluted contrast paint rather than traditional washes. In my opinion, the higher pigmentation and the ability to accumulate in the figures every little nook and recess guarantees a better, more realistic end result. Don't worry, after drying up it will look less dark. Adding some marks with a lighter shade of brown. Painting the buckle. And finally, moving to the steel plate armor. As you can see, the base color is quite dark, and the goal here is to progressively add on top of it a metallic shine, first with an intermediate color and then with pure silver. Don't forget the chainmail under the armor. Silver color again, this time to highlight the details on the armor. Obviously, this figure has arms that were painted so far using the same techniques shown on the torso. But with an exception, the blade of the sword, where I will use a different approach. After applying different shades of steel color, I light a bit with pure silver. Let it dry for several hours and then polish it until you get the level of shine you feel appropriate to the figure. And with a coat of matte varnish to protect and obviously mattify the figure. Assemble the arms, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this 3-video series where I tried to cover the basic components of figure painting: the skin, the hair, and the leather and armor bits. See you next time.